He is a postgraduate in Homeopathic Materia Medica. He worked as a professor and HOD in the Department of Homeopathic Pharmacy, JSPS Government Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Hyderabad. In 2017, he got promoted as the principal of JSPS Government Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Hyderabad, till date. He is also designated as an additional director in charge, Homeopathy, Ayush, Telangana State, Dr. N. Lingaraju, sir. My request to our medical superintendent, Dr. Pravaspal, sir, to kindly felicitate, sir. My humble request to Dr. Sanjay Gupta, sir, kindly express your gratitude towards all of us gathered here from various states of India.
ओम नमो नारायण। सभी को नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग। I welcome you all on behalf of National Commission for Homeopathy for coming up here and participating in this competency-based training program organized by Homeopathy Education Board under the leadership of its President, Dr. Tarkeshwar Jain sir and his team. I would like to enlighten you with this fact कि friends, colleagues and dignitaries on the dais, a very hard work has been done by the Homeopathy Education Board with untiring efforts under the able guidance of President Sir and Chairperson NCH. And gradually they have come to this stage where we have been continuously upgrading this training program with experience. Various training programs have already been organized in the country, zone-wise, and you are the luckiest the most refined one to be executed in this land where the Statue of Equality is there. Secondly, I would like to put on record, definitely coming to this vibrant campus of Jiva Trust, GIMS, it will be giving us all who are attending this program, visiting this campus will bring new energy and we replicate at our places. Not only that, the true spirit of the competency-based training program, which has a long journey to achieve its objective, right from the learner level to the final stakeholder, the patient, delivering to the patient through homeopathy. We all know that the ultimate aim of this commission is that we deliver quality service through quality education, able learning, so much so that it has been made as one of the provision into the act of the commission. So you must be knowing why this has been made as a provision into the act, because it is the need of the hour. Earlier, when the CCH Act was into existence, things were coming up, but not to that priority. So with this changing era, we as homeopaths also realized that this dynamic curriculum is the necessity of the hour. If we don't adapt ourselves accordingly, we leave us far behind in this medical system, ecosystem. So, what I request you all is, go through this training program, which has been meticulously designed with all possible efforts, nothing left unturned on behalf of Commission, on behalf of Education Board and its team. So, I wish you all the best to all trainers who have come up, sparing so much of time for the fraternity, and also for the trainees who have also come up in their busy schedule to get themselves trained as per the need and the objective of the commission. I thank you all and I wish you all good luck.